Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Y'all, we're going to do something a little different today. All right, as you can see, I'm in my kitchen. I'm fixing to go out of town, but this came in and I wanted to open it. Oh my goodness, I wanted to open it so bad. Miss Callie figured out I'm filming without her. She came running in here. She may get up on the table. I am going to do a different segment when I get back from out of town, and sorry the washer is running. Telling you about this company, but I'll put all the video together and you can see it. But I just wanted to film the opening up of this. The thing is, I want to wear it while I'm out of town, so I had to open it immediately. So here is my little bitty box. This is from Coco and Eden, which is a jewelry company. Like I said, I will give you all the information at a later time when I write it all down, but I just wanted to show you this. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, y'all. This company is 100% carbon neutral. So I was telling my husband about it. He's like, what does that mean? And I'm like, well, it means they're neutral. You know, whatever carbon they put out during the making or shipping of their jewelry, they put out that amount of oxygen as well. I'm not exactly sure how they do that, but they balance it out. So let's just peek and see what is inside here. Thinking they let me pick out 3 pieces. And ooh, look at this. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it's so pretty. I will tell you prices and everything later, but right now we're just going to look at the jewelry. And it did come in this cute little Coco and Eden pouch. Did it focus? I can't tell. There we go. So this is beautiful. It does have an extender on here. It is 18 karat gold. Isn't that just beautiful, y'all? Let's put it on, because I'm not wearing any jewelry, y'all. I just finished grooming a dog, so probably got raccoon eyes and whole nine, but I just had to open this. I had to open this jewelry, and you'll see why I was in such a hurry. This is probably the tightest it goes, but I thought it would look great with this top. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we're gonna open this one. Y'all, are you ready? This is the one I'm super excited about. Squeak, 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 squeak. Can you see why? Yes. He's got a G on it. He's got a G on it. Oh my goodness. And there is a little heart ring in here as well. Y'all know I've been wanting a ring to wear, and I just thought this one would be so cute, so everyday great. It's a size 6. But look at that. Isn't that just adorable? Very cute. With the G. Oh, the G. Y'all know everybody calls me G. Some people have told me that I respond to G better than I respond to people actually saying Gina. And, you know, I get to concentrate and I don't think, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? With that, like, opal look behind it, or seashell, or whatever it is, iridescent. I love it. I love it. There's the extender. Now this one doesn't say 14 karat gold on it. Made it a little longer. Look at that. Isn't that just super cute? Oh my goodness. I actually think you could even wear them together like this. This is very cute. What do y'all think of this jewelry, y'all? I'm so excited to be working with this company. So the necklace is called the Alpha necklace. It is a $65 necklace. You can get any letter of the alphabet. It is beautiful. It is 18 karat gold and stainless steel, high quality materials. Our jewelry is hypoallergenic and made to last forever. 18 karat gold will not oxidize or discolor. You can wear it every day and everywhere. They also have a money back guarantee. 100% satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. We're so sure you'll love our jewelry that we even offer a 45-day free refund policy, but we know you're not going to need it. So this is the Anna ring. It is a $60 value. It's also made of 18 karat gold and stainless steel. So I'm assuming maybe everything is. Isn't it beautiful, y'all? Oh my goodness. This one is the Fleur Necklace. It is a $72 value. 18 karat gold stainless steel. Beautiful texture to the touch. This original floor pendant necklace features a sculptural flower hung on an 18 karat gold plated chain. This best-selling piece is hand-forged in steel for durability and quality. Say hello to a necklace you did not know you needed. So very cool. 2-year warranty. Y'all, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and God bless.